Yeah. Nut. As in installing one. Yeah. All right. Before I get too much further, looks like a long one and a long one, and that means probably all the rest are the same size. Oop. And washers. All right. One. Alright. I better not have any kinks or twists or folds in my intake gasket. There's one, and then I think I've got like 1, 2, 1, 2, is that right? Yeah, I think I feel them. I don't know if I'll be able to see them from below. I mean, why would Nissan want me to be able to see the bolts? I have to put a very specific amount of torque on it. Where's that little 12 mil ratchet? There's 14, 17, another 14. There's a little, I don't know. I'll get these threads in for now anyway. Alright, yeah, I can see them. I don't know how I'm going to get to them. Yeah, this is stupid. I can do the magic middle finger twizzle on it. Yeah. Well, I started at threading anyway. Okay. And then, as I recall, there is one on the far front side that cannot be seen, and it can only be felt, yep, with one fingertip. Yep, I remember that one. Oh, gosh. It hit me right on the nose. Ow. Not a very big bolt, but when it falls straight down. Ha! Okay, it is not in, but it's at least in the hole in the intake. Alright. So there's like this 3-hole opening thingy on the back of the timing cover. I don't know what it is. Uh-oh. I have 5 bolt holes for this intake. That means I'm short one. Oh, wait. I think one of them goes to the, does it go to the power steering pump? I think so. Okay. I don't think I'm short one. Okay. Ow. Yeah. And then there's one right here. Did that one have a bracket? There's a reinforcement bracket. Yeah. Reinforcement bracket here somewhere. I don't know, because the Excel pump thingy, that goes above. Unfortunately, I'm not sure where this wire went. Oh, it went to the fuel injector harness. Okay. Which, I don't know where that is. I see the fuel rail. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where it is. Alright, I need to find a wrench or something for these 12s. Hey look, I found a wrench or something. That's not going to get me very far though. Okay. Yeah, I think this one on the back, which I would have been able to get from below, I think is actually connected to something else for the purpose of power steering. Which, does this still move freely? Yeah, I think it'll work. I don't remember where it bolts onto. I have to attach that 3-hole thingamawatchet that goes on the back of the timing cover. I'll look it up and it'll probably say something like interlock air phaser. Like, oh yeah, now I know what it is. Oh, we don't have O2 sensors, we have lambda sensors. We don't have lifters, we have lash adjusters. Tappets. Thingamabobs. wonder if I could have just converted the EGR block to a vacuum block. Oh well. If I could get a really long long extension on a 12, I might be able to get that in faster. Except that I have no clue where my 12 is. Yeah. Alright, well. My feelings won't be hurt if someone's watching this and goes, skip, skip, skip. Actually, I'd feel pretty proud. It means someone's watching this. You know, honestly, it's a good thing that it was hitting that bracket. That's better than it hitting like a piece of plastic hose or an electrical connector or a sensor or something like that. Now, actually, are these all... These are the bracket bolts, so I don't think it broke off. I have no clue how I'm going to get them back on. I still have a mile left to thread this thing in. You know, these fuel injector seals don't look too good. That was the worst that could happen, right? This sucks. Yeah, let's have 2 more after this. Oh, and then the knock sensor. This is fun. You viewers get to watch me lose my mind gradually. Well, fairly quickly, actually. It's great because you can skip from one video to another just to see how far it has progressed. My insanity, not the video, not the car. Uh-oh. Okay, well, I might have to finish tightening that one up from below, too. So that's 3 of them. Alright, one more thing I need to remember to do is lightly drizzle some oil here inside of the combustion chambers. A little bit over the camshafts, etc., etc. And so on, so forth. I don't know how I'm supposed to reach these. I think I've said that already. Like, when I went to take them off, I think I said I don't know how I'm supposed to reach these. Hey, the QG is a dream. Like, you look at it and maybe you get overwhelmed at first, but it's quick to figure out where everything is supposed to go. Hey, I think I found that red wire that came disconnected from the relay. There's a bundle of wires down here. That's gonna be fun. But the QG, like, it had a lot of extra brackets from what I recall. Like, I think it even had a couple of things to hoist the engine out from, like a couple of little metal D-rings that are bolted to it just for the purpose of lifting it. Which, for a motor that I've regularly gotten 300,000–400,000 miles out of, it's kind of funny that they would make it as serviceable as that. Seems like the QGs all have the same problem. They get to about 300,000 miles and then blow a head gasket for no reason. And other than this last one, and I've taken a few apart, and they all seem to have no signs of wear. Like, nothing is out of spec, even by a little bit. It's all at the very high end of spec. This one, this KA, one of the timing chain guides had a piece missing off of it. One of the timing chain tensioners was worn down. It had some obvious problems. wonder if it was enough to throw valve timing off. Huh. This will be really interesting to see how it runs when it's done. If it runs. I hope. Same reminder when you're putting these intake bolts in, you're going into an aluminum cylinder head. Do not over tighten. Not that you could get a torque wrench on it, but was that one tightened on? No. It's amazing how tiring it can be holding a really light wrench with 2 fingers in front of you. Like, taking tests for 8 hours, that's not tiring. Not like this. This will make your hand cramp up so fast. And at the end of it all, what you get is better than a GED. It's a KAT. Yeah. Okay, I'd say that one is on. And the front corner, I'm not 100% sure about, so I don't think I should do anything with it. Okay, powder steeling pump. Let's see. There's a bracket. Oh, wait. I can't do that yet. I gotta put this 3-hole thingamabobber in. Oh, and the PCB, and the... there's a bunch of crap over here. 1, 2, 3... 3 hoses. 1... Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 hoses. A bracket of some kind. 1, 2 electrical connectors. I'm about to put number 3. Yeah, there's stuff. Oh. Now, where is that piece? There it is. I have to install this thing, whatever this is. It's got a hole in it. Oh great, it takes a gasket. Oh, and it is filled with crap. Okay. There's some screws. And I got a support message. So I gotta go.